Looking to upgrade your PC with something that boosts both performance and style? Today we're diving into the best RGB RAM dual channel kits that deliver faster speeds, smoother multitasking, and stunning lighting effects to level up your setup. Choosing the right dual channel RGB memory can make a real difference, especially for gaming, streaming, and content creation. I've picked some of the best options available right now, so if you want to check the latest prices, full specs, and today's best deals, make sure to visit the product links in the description below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and PC upgrade guides. Product 5, Lexar ARES Gen 2 RGB DDR5 32GB 6000 mAh kit. Meet Lexar ARES Gen 2 RGB DDR5 32GB kit, 6000 mAh, dual 16GB UDMs, CL30, latency tuned for gaming, supports Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo profiles, plug-and-play 6000 mAh bandwidth, feels like a racetrack for your CPU. CL30, 38, 38, 76 timings, deliver responsive frames and smooth multitasking, powered by SK Hynix chips, enterprise-grade throughput, and reliability. On-die ECC keeps memory errors in check, like vigilant referees. Built-in PMIC optimizes power, smarter energy, cooler sustained performance. White 8mm aluminum heatsink wicks, heat away like tiny radiators. Addressable RGB with Lexar RGB Sync, your rig's synchronized heartbeat. Lifetime limited warranty backs your purchase with confident peace of mind. Ideal for overclockers. Customized PCB improves stability and headroom. Plug XMP or Expo DL volts and watch performance soar 32GB kit handles gaming, streaming, and creation without breaking sweat. Lexar ARES Gen 2 RGB DDR5. Check the link in the description for the latest price and specs. Product 4, PNY XLR8 Gaming RGB DDR4 32G 3200 mAh kit. Lag spikes during live streams ruined clutch moments in viewer engagement. Memory bottlenecks froze editing software mid-export, wasting hours daily. Multitasking with games, OBS, Chrome tabs felt impossible and frustrating. Found PNY XLR8 RGB while browsing upgrade options late night. Clicked video review. Visuals and specs immediately grabbed attention. 3200 MHz dual channel speed. Promised buttery fast load times and responsiveness. CL16 latency and XMP 2.0 meant simple one-click overclocking. Addressable RGB lighting synced flawlessly with motherboard software. No cables installed modules, instantly eliminated stutters. Exports finished much faster. Live streams stayed smooth. Chat engagement spiked. Viewers noticed gaming felt crisp. Frame stability and responsiveness dramatically improved. Aesthetics leveled up. RGB made my rig a showpiece instantly. Perfect for gamers, creators, builders wanting speed and style. Ready to ditch bottlenecks and light up your build? Upgrade now, limited stock. Your next level performance awaits today. Don't miss today's best deal, link in description. Product 3, Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 64GU 6000 mAh CL30 kit. Meet Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 64GA 2x32 6000 mAh powerhouse CL30. Latency keeps responsiveness sharp, like caffeine for your CPU. About 50% more bandwidth over DDR4. Multitasking gets supercharged. Clearly XMP ready, one-touch overclocking. Push speed safely without manual fuss. ICU, controllable RGB, adds personality. 10-zone lighting dances to system rhythm. Lower voltage design improves efficiency. Your rig drinks less power. Dual 32GB DIMMs give 64GB headroom for heavy workloads and streams. 6000 mAh bandwidth feels like swapping a bicycle for a turbocharged motorcycle. CL30 latency balances speed and stability. Snappy, not jittery performance. Aluminum heat spreaders keep temperatures calm, like air conditioning for your RAM. Built for gamers, creators, and enthusiasts. No compromises, just muscle compatibility. Intel XMP ready and broadly supported. Installation is hassle-free. Real-time monitoring via ICUE keeps voltage and frequency in plain sight. Overclocking headroom encourages safe tinkering. Enthusiasts can chase small gains. In short, Corsair Vengeance. DDR5 64GB, 6000 MHz, CL30. Click the description link to see full details. Product 2, G-Skill Trident Z Neo Series DDR4 RAM. Stutters and slow load times ruin immersive gaming experiences. Heavy multitasking freezes workflows and hampers creative productivity. Overclocking attempts fail due to unstable memory settings. RGB mismatches and poor thermal control spoil your build's aesthetics. Choosing incompatible RAM causes crashes and frustrating troubleshooting loops. Trident Z Neo DDR4 3600CL16 delivers high-frequency, low-latency performance. 32 G8 dual-channel kit provides ample capacity for demanding workloads. XMP-ready profiles enable simple, stable overclocking through BIOS. Match 2x 16GB modules, avoid compatibility pitfalls and instability. Dual-tone heatsinks and improved thermal dissipation maintain performance under load. Smoother gameplay and faster load times enhance immersion immediately. Reliable multitasking keeps large projects and streams running smoothly. Easy XMP setup saves time and reduces BIOS tinkering risk. Addressable RGB syncs with major ecosystems for cohesive aesthetics. View today's price, product link below. Product 1, G-Skill Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5 32GB 6000 MHz kit. Imagine RAM that races your games into warp speed. G-Skill Trident Z5 Neo RGB, stealth and power combined. 32GB, 16 GB, dual-channel kit for smooth heavy multitasking. DDR5 6000 CL30 performance, latency dropped, frame rates climb. Matte black brushed aluminum heatsink with slim addressable RGB. AMD Expo Ready profile lets you overclock with one click. Hand-tested modules, engineered for stability and thermal performance. Plug into AM5 boards, instant high-frequency compatibility. Trident Z lighting syncs with ASUS, MSI, Gigabyte, AS-ROC. Slim RGB bar keeps rigs stylish without bulky interference. Perfect for esports, streaming, and creative content workflows. Enable Expo and BIOS to reach rated DDR5 6000 speeds. Matched kit design ensures synchronized dual-channel performance, minimal fuss. Low CL30 timings deliver tighter responsiveness during competitive play. Upgrade now. Make a smart buy. Check the link in description now. Like, comment, subscribe for more.